Tattoo Aftercare Guide. Keeping your ink. Hey, ink lovers! So, you've just got that fantastic tattoo, and now you're wondering how to take care of it. Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into proper tattoo aftercare to ensure your ink stays vibrant and healthy. Let's get started. 1. The first few hours. Right after getting a tattoo, the artist will clean and wrap it. Keep the bandage on for a few hours, and don't rush to take it off. This covers and protects the fresh wound. 2. Cleanse gently. When it's time to remove the bandage, do it gently. Preferably in the shower. Use mild, fragrance-free soap and lukewarm water to clean the area. Pat it dry with a clean, lint-free cloth. 3. Moisturize. Moisturizing is essential for tattoo aftercare. Apply a thin layer of a fragrance-free, hypoallergenic tattoo-specific moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated. Avoid petroleum-based products as they can clog pores. 4. Avoid sun and water. For the first few weeks, shield your tattoo from direct sunlight. UV rays can fade the ink. Also, avoid soaking in pools, hot tubs, or bathtubs, as excessive water exposure can damage a tattoo. 5. Clothing choice. Wear loose-fitting clothing over your tattoo. During the healing process, tight clothes can rub against the tattoo, causing irritation. 6. Resist scratching. As your tattoo heals, it may get itchy. Avoid scratching at all costs. Scratching can damage the skin and the ink. Instead, gently pat or tap the area if it itches. 7. Avoid picking scabs. As the tattoo heals, it may form scabs. Never pick at them. Let them fall off naturally, or you risk pulling ink out with them. 8. Stay hydrated and eat well. Proper nutrition and hydration can positively impact your tattoo's healing process. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet too. Support skin health. 9. Regular check-ins. Don't hesitate to check in with your tattoo artist if you have any concerns during the healing process. They can offer advice and reassurance. 10. Long-term care. Remember, tattoo aftercare isn't just for the healing phase. To keep your ink looking its best, use sunscreen. When exposed to the sun, stay hydrated and keep your skin moisturized. And that's a wrap on our tattoo aftercare guide. Remember, proper aftercare can make all the difference in how your tattoo looks years down the line. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tattoo tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your ink looking fabulous.